Like, we have to start treating people with respect. There's no more you got to pay your dues, man. Like, all of that hazing and harassing people and abuse, those days are over, man. Like, it's no point in holding on to that stuff anymore. There's no point in trying to continue those traditions that lead to nowhere. Because let's be very honest, it's not abuse that helps us become the best of who we are. So why do we keep feeling like we got to keep, doing abuse over and over? Like, you go to football, oh, you need to haze the water boy, you need to haze this person. You go to college, putting in a sorority, oh, you need to haze. Like, let's stop this stupidity. Like, the world has evolved now. Like, we can't keep acting animalistic. Like, we have to evolve emotionally to fit into this world now. And I'm just going to tell you right now, like, a lot of businesses are not going to be making it in the future. And it may sound bad, but you know what, man? It's going to make space for people who have a heart.